Sup YouTube, Loganroh Hatton here. Recently picked up my baritone from a friend of mine, and I just fell in love with it again. I used to play tuba 3 years ago, and I always thought about playing the baritone. Well, now my dreams came true. I can play the baritone, and I want to play a song for you. Forgive me if it's a bit rusty. This is my first week in 3 years that I have played on this thing, okay? So if it's a bit rusty, I'm sorry. This song is going to be called Sawmill Creek. It's by Bruce Pearson, and it's in his Red Standard of Excellence books. I highly recommend this book if you want to relearn an instrument, or if you have an old instrument kicking around the house and you have someone who can teach you a few notes here and there and how to get on there with your instrument. You'll fall in love with your music. Alright? There you go, Sawmill Creek. I hope you guys enjoy that.